In this video, you are going to see how to change the display colors on your Motorola mobile phone. Did you know that this feature is available on all the latest Motorola devices that comes with an AMOLED display panel? Yes. So make sure to follow the steps I'm about to show you carefully to avoid any confusion. First, open the settings on your Motorola mobile phone, then tap on the display option. Here, you will find another option called colors. Go ahead and select that. Now, you can see three main colors: natural, radiant, and vivid. Take a look below each option. It shows you a small preview of how the colors will actually look when that mode is enabled. If you scroll down a little further, you will also notice an option to adjust the color temperature. So you can fine tune the tones based on your preference. Personally, I usually prefer the natural setting for a balanced look, and sometimes I switch to vivid for that extra pop of color. But it really depends on you. Some people like warmer tones while others prefer cooler or more vibrant colors. So pick the one that suits your eyes and your style best. And that's it. This is how you can easily change the display colors on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so we can reach more Motorola users just like you. And of course, subscribe for more tips and tricks along with different gadget tutorials and reviews coming up right here on this channel.